Hi, welcome back to Easy Peasy. Idioms make the conversation interesting and they are the creative way to express yourself. Today we are going to learn 20 common animal idioms. Let's start. Have you ever heard the idiom ants in one's pants? Ants in one's pants means feeling restless or unable to sit still. Let's look at the example sentence. Bobby was so excited for his birthday party that he had ants in his pants all day. That means he was feeling restless or unable to sit at one place because he was so excited for his birthday party. Next one is being fishy. Being fishy means when someone seems suspicious or not quite right, we say, it seems fishy. For example, it seemed fishy that the stranger asked for my phone number. Let's look at the next one. Cat nap. Cat nap means a short sleep during the day. After lunch, Grandpa always took a cat nap in his favorite chair. Cat's got one's tongue. Oh, it doesn't mean cat has literally taken out one's tongue. It means when someone is unable to speak or is too shy to speak. Let's see the example sentence. The little girl was so shy that the cat had her tongue when she met new people. That means the little girl was shy and she was unable to speak anything when she met new people. Chicken out. Chicken out means to back out or to decide not to do something due to fear or uncertainty. Jane was going to jump off the diving board, but he chickened out and climbed back down. That means Jane was so scared that he didn't jump off the diving board. Copycat. When someone copies what another person does or says, we say he's a copycat. Johnny is a copycat and always copies his friend's homework. Dog days. This idiom means a period of hot and humid weather during the summer. During the dog days of summer, it's important to drink lots of water and stay in the shade. Next is eager beaver. Eager beaver means someone who is very enthusiastic and eager to do something. We say he's an eager beaver. The little girl was an eager beaver and wanted to help bake cookies. Get the lion's share. This idiom means to get the largest portion or the best part of something. For example, the boy got the lion's share of the ice cream because he finished all his vegetables. Have a cow. Have a cow means to become very angry or upset. The teacher had a cow when she saw the students cheating on the test. Hold your horses. Hold your horses means to wait and be patient. Dad told us to hold our horses when he got the camera for the picture. That means he asked to wait and be patient. It's a dog's life. This idiom means something which is very hard or unpleasant. For example, taking medicine is a dog's life, but it will make you feel better, so you should take it. Kill two birds with one stone. This idiom means to accomplish two things at the same time. I will kill two birds with one stone by doing my homework while I wait for dinner to cook. Next idiom is let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag means to reveal a secret. The little boy let the cat out of the bag by telling his mom about the surprise present. He revealed the secret to his mom. Little bird told me. It doesn't mean that little bird has told something to someone. It is a way to say that you heard a secret from someone else and you don't want to disclose the name. Then you say, little bird told me. For example, a little bird told me that the teacher is planning a fun project for next week. Monkey see, monkey do. You must have heard the story of Capseller and the monkeys. Monkeys imitate others without thinking. Monkey see, monkey do means to imitate others without thinking. Imitate means to copy someone or something, or to mimic the actions, behavior or style of something. Let's see how to use this idiom monkey see, monkey do. The baby started clapping because his sister was doing it. Monkey see, monkey do. Pig out. Pig out means to eat a lot of food, often in a greedy or uncontrolled way. The little girl pigged out on candy on Halloween and felt sick. Next idiom is raining cats and dogs. Are you imagining that cats and dogs are raining from the sky? No, this idiom is used to describe a heavy rainfall. And how to use this idiom? Let's see. We couldn't go outside because it was raining cats and dogs. It means we couldn't go out because it was raining heavily. Rat race. Rat race means a competitive and stressful way of life often related to work. Dad is tired of the rat race and wants to take a vacation. Take the bull by the horns. This idiom doesn't mean that you have to hold the bulls by the horns. It's very risky. It means to confront a difficult situation with courage and determination. For example, Mary took the bull by the horns and started her own business. Although it was difficult for her, but she showed courage and determination and started her own business. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, hit the like button. Do share it with your friends. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Take care. Bye-bye.